been a month since a hoarding collapsed in Mumbai's eastern suburb Ghatkopar, claiming 17 lives at a petrol pump. It caused a huge uproar. And now, the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation, that is the BMC, has framed new comprehensive guidelines for the certification and inspection of hoardings in Mumbai. The guidelines were framed following a meeting of BMC officials and Additional Chief Secretary Home on Wednesday. So in this episode of Mumbai Matters, let us go through what these guidelines are. Hello and welcome, I am Purva Chitnis. At present, there are over 1,000 hoardings in Mumbai, generating over 100 crore rupees revenue to the civic authorities. The BMC says that the lights on these billboards now will have to be shut down by 11 p.m. So now let's talk about what these new guidelines are. First of all, let us understand in terms of size, there has been no change in restriction of size of new hoardings. That is, the size remains 40 by 40 feet. But these new guidelines focus on the structural aspects. It suggests only perforated sheets are now to be used for the new hoardings in Mumbai as safety measure during cyclones. The minimum distance between two large format hoardings should be 70 meters. If the hoardings are erected near a parking space or stationary vehicle, then a distance of 30 meters needs to be maintained. 50% of the panels should have arrangement for removing and stacking them to allow reduction of wind pressure by 50% during cyclonic conditions. Bolted connections are also recommended with locking nut provisions for safety. All existing hoardings also need to comply to these new rules within 2 years. The maximum life for a hoarding that is now allowed is 50 years since the first date of approval. For existing hoardings, a structural audit report should be submitted to the BMC after every 2 years. The structure should have a non-reflective finish to prevent glare. Climbing arrangements should be made to allow regular inspection of the structure. The submissions of drawings related to the site layout plan, foundations and pedestals drawings of the structure along with details of design and blueprint of the structure is also now compulsory. According to the new rule, the submission of certificate from a geotechnical consultant on the stability of the foundation of a billboard is a must. Along with it, certificates from a licensed site supervisor, a structural consultant and an electrical consultant on structural stability, fittings and fixtures and earthing are also mandatory. These new rules also state that generators running on kerosene, diesel or any other fuel that causes air or water pollution shouldn't be used to illuminate the hoardings. For the existing hoardings, a geotechnical survey of the foundations need to be carried out every 10 years. One of the dangers is erecting billboards on dilapidated buildings. But now, the new guidelines will disallow the erection of hoardings and billboards on these dilapidated buildings that are classified as C1 and C2A category by the BMC. In its new policy, BMC authorities have stated that on every hoarding or billboard, QR codes will be affixed with relevant information of the owner that maintains the billboard. Well, these are the new guidelines that the BMC has come up with. Now, whether they will be passed or with additions or subtractions, we will come to know. But whether they will be implemented and executed in its letter and spirit, that is something that is going to be important to keep the city safe. That's all we have for you in this episode of Mumbai Matters. For more such episodes, do tune in to The Print.